Honor is annual power too. Now we are unboxing of this amazing phone. This is a big battery phone. And my first impression is that it looks more like an iPhone 17 Pro Max. The smartphone features an AMOLED touchscreen display with a 1.5K resolution with 6.7 inches screen size and a 120Hz refresh rate. There will be MediaTek Dimensity 8500 processor with an octa-core CPU. RAM will be 16 GB and storage will be 512 GB. Camera setup will be 50 megapixel wide main sensor. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. The phone will feature largest battery. The phone is tipped to pack a 10,080 mAh battery. It charges via 80 watt adapter. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.